Assalamualaikum and welcome to the 14th video of arithmetic progressions. In today's class as well, we will see how to find out the value of n or the number of terms. We had solved one question in 5th grade yesterday, and this is the second question on the board. The AP is 18, 15 and a half, 13 and goes up to the last term minus 47. Let me write down the values that I know. A will be 18, D will be A2 minus A1. Second term is 15 and a half minus 18. But before that I have to convert this mixed fraction to proper fraction. So 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 divided by 2. We have seen how to do that. Minus 18 by 1. Now 31 1s are 31 minus 18 2s are will be 36 divided by 2 1s are 2. 31 minus 36 will be 36 minus 31 is 5, but 36 is a greater number, is minus sign, so minus 5 by 2 will be the value of D. I hope you have understood this. And then the last term is taken as an is minus 47. N we don't know, n we should find out. That is the number of terms. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. In place of an it will be minus 47 equals, the value of a is 18 plus n we don't know, which we are finding out. The value of d is minus 5 by 2. Please be very careful while writing d. Also put brackets to avoid confusion. Minus 47 plus 18, if it is taken on the other side, it becomes plus 18 becomes minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is remaining. Now minus into minus is plus. 47 plus 18 is 65 and 47 is greater, so it will be minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 65, this is multiplication, so minus 5 by 2 on taken to the other side becomes into minus 5 by 2 becomes minus 2 by 5. It becomes the reciprocal. Example, if you had 2 by 5, it would have become 5 by 2 on taken to the other side. Equals n minus 1. So minus into minus will be plus. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry. 5 3s are 15. So 13 into 2 is remaining. And this minus into minus is plus, which is gone, is equal to n minus 1. 13 2s are 26, which is equal to n minus 1. 26 minus 1 on the other side becomes plus 1, which is equal to n. Therefore, the value of n will be 26 plus 1 is 27. That means there are 27 terms in this AP. This problem is little complicated than the other ones. Please watch it twice or thrice as many times as you want to understand it better. We'll continue with the next problem. Alright, so the question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP (11, 8, 5, 2, etc.) Okay. Now this is also a problem where we should find out n. So by using this AP, I'll write down what is A. A is 11. D is A2 minus A1, which is 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. 11 minus 8 is 3, and m is a greater number. So the value of D is minus 3. And minus 150 should be taken as an because we are finding out n. N will be equal to question mark. Now for this problem, they are asking we should check if minus 150 can come in this AP or not. Just like how 11 can come, 8 can come, 5 is there, 2 is there. Like that, can minus 150 also be a part of this series, of this list of numbers? Okay. To do that, we will find out n. Now what does n mean? N means number of terms, right? Number of terms always has to be a positive number. Example, I can say there are 5 terms, there are 10 terms, there are 20 terms. Just like telling there are 40 students, there are 30 students, there are 50 students. Like number of terms cannot be negative, no? I cannot tell, oh, there are minus 5 numbers, there are minus 20 numbers. Just like how I can't tell, there are minus 20 students present in the class, there are minus 20 apples present at home. So number of anything cannot become a negative value. So what we will do now is we will use the AN formula, solve it and find out n. If I don't get n as a positive number, that means this cannot be the term. So if I get n as the positive value, that means it can be a term. So n should always be a positive integer. It can't be a fraction, it can't be a negative integer, and it also can't be a decimal. So let us see what value of n we will get. Let me make use of the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an will be minus 150 is equal to the value of a is 11 plus n is what we are finding out, and d is also minus 3. Now minus 150 plus 11 on the other side becomes minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 150 plus 11 is 161 and 150 is greater, so minus 10 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 into minus 3, when you bring it on the other side, becomes divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Is that correct? Minus n and minus n can be cancelled. 161 divided by 3 minus 1. If you shift on the other side, becomes plus 1. So only n will be remaining on the other side. So now you can take this like 161 ones are 161 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 3 ones are 3 is equal to n. So 161 plus 3 will be 164 divided by 3 is equal to n. So the value of n that I am getting here is not a whole number and it is not a positive. It is positive, but it's not an integer. It's not a whole number. That's why we can tell that minus 150 cannot be a term in the given AP. Why minus 150 cannot be a term in the given AP? So any term can be present here only if the value of n is a whole number. Like example, if n was 5, 10, any number without a fraction or decimal or negative sign would have done. But this is a complete fraction, and even if you divide 164 by 3, you will get decimals. You can also check it out if you want. Therefore, minus 150 cannot be a term in the given AP. Please do try this question at home and also try to see that you can solve other questions. And we'll continue in the next class. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any doubts.